Good afternoon, everyone. I appreciate very much being invited to speak at this conference, especially with the Germany-Argentina game going on right now, so I appreciate all the guys staying on to listen to this lecture. I'm going to talk to you about nanotechnology and why it is a game changer. Most of you have heard of nanotechnology. Who heard of nanotechnology before? Okay. Can anybody tell me what nanotechnology is? Anyone? Just take a wild guess. Go ahead. Things on the nanoscale. That's partially correct. Why is that interesting? Why is everybody interested in nanotechnology? So you're completely correct when you answer that to some extent. He said, because on the nanoscale we can actually see things, so maybe we can save some space, can make things more compact, which is very important for this one. But there's actually a much bigger impact from nanotechnology. Those of you who don't know, nanotechnology is expected to reach over $3 trillion in market size by 2015. That's 5 years from today. $3.1 trillion. America, United States deficits or loan is $1 trillion. Okay, so this is $3 trillion. This is a huge amount of money. What I'm going to start with is just give you some few examples, very, very few, of things that are already available in the market, just to give you an idea what nanotechnology can do. What you're seeing here, this is a normal carpet, very normal, this one. It's been treated with nanomaterials, and what you're seeing on it is water. And as you can see, the water is not absorbing into the carpet. This is a very, very simple application. What you're seeing here, this is a drop. He's going to blow on the drop, and the drop just runs across the carpet. Right? This is a normal carpet that you have in your home, treated with nanomaterials. I'm going to tell you how most of these things work, but just remember. The second example is for insulation. This is a material that what you can see is that this insulating material, which is 6 millimeters thick, only 6 millimeters, and it can take isolate temperature of 1,000 degrees. It can remove 900 degrees from one side to the other. So the flame there, the temperature there is almost 1,000 degrees. The temperature on the other side is 100 degrees. So in 6 millimeters, we can isolate 900 degrees of temperature. It works for hot and cold on the other side. Temperature here is minus 87 degrees. And on the other side, 6 millimeters only, you get 22 degrees. Right? I'm just giving you some examples, just so you understand. Nanotechnology is not science fiction. Nanotechnology can impact every single way of your life. These are normal house applications. So if you have an oven in your home and you get burned from the oven, and put your hand on the outside, such technology can be safety for your home. It can work in factories, it can work as a fire-redundant material, it can work for oil and gas, it can work in the construction industry. These are simple applications. These are things in the market today. Right? The third application, before I actually go into what is nanotechnology, I think the ladies will like that. Now what you're seeing here, this is honey being dropped on 2 pieces of glass. On the left, this is treated, on the right, untreated. As you can see, the one on the left skims through the glass, nothing stuck on the glass. Now this is very nice in the kitchen. Very nice for your car. Very nice, actually, if you think of industrial applications, this is very nice in food processing, in food storage, in supermarkets, in your washings. Something like this makes sure that your washing is 100% clean. Think beyond that, in hospitals. So it will have a huge impact on how we live. And all done by very simple chemistry, sometimes physics, and a bit of engineering. All right, so now I hope I got your attention a little bit that this is something not very abstract. This is actually happening. These are products in the market, actually. They are not available yet in Egypt, but in a lot of places in the world, you can buy this in a bottle. And you just apply it on your carpet or in your kitchen, and it will function as you see. So, what is a nanometer? Well, a nanometer, the word nano, in Greek it means dwarf. Because nano is just a unit of measurements. So you have the meter, the centimeter, the millimeter, the micrometer, then comes the nano. Okay. Then you can continue, there's the angstrom, there's the pico, there's the femto, I'm sure a lot of you have heard about the femto, and then there's the octo and the zepto, and you keep going on. These are all just units of measurements. How small is the nanometer? Now if you put the Earth, and you put a golf ball compared to the Earth, just go outside the space, look at Earth, and put a golf ball right next to the Earth. This is how small a nanometer is compared to us, to 1 meter. So it's a very, very small. It's 10 to the minus 9 meter. What is the definition? The definition of nanotechnology is that when you change the size, you get new properties. You get new physical and chemical properties. So, simply said, something that is conductive, when you go into the nanometer, it can be a superconductor, or it can be an insulating material. Something that is very weak can become extremely hard and extremely